look what I have. This
Oh my
works.
god, beautiful, beautiful.
I tried it
You tried
today.
it? You liked
Much
it?
better. It's smelling
It smells good.
beautifully.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah,
it's
and it's
gorgeous.
like ecological.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, more better than using the nail
Th-
polish for the
Yeah,
lips and for some allergic things. So yeah,
yeah,
I
yeah.
think this is the new thing I will use for sure
Very cool.
for the
Yay.
next
I love to hear
making
that.
race.
All right, welcome back to part 2 of our series where Natalia, a European oboist, learns how to make North American style reeds. Welcome back, Natalia.
Hi Ron, hi. I say hi today again from the Oboe classroom in my university in Katowice in Poland, and I'm so excited for today's scraping. So I prepared the reed. Reed was waiting 1 week, so we will see what happens today.
Fantastic. So we have these tied blanks that are open, but they're not scraped except that the bark is removed from it. Oh, this is not going to be bright enough here. It's obvious. You can see it.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to first scrape down the heart section of the reed, which for us is going to be like roughly from the middle of the reed to somewhere like this. This whole middle section of the reed is going to be the thickest part of the reed when we're done scraping.
Okay.
And we're going to measure roughly from 60 to the very top of the reed. We're just going to scrape down pretty evenly to 0.45 millimeters thickness.
From 60 to the top.
Yeah. But let me know if my scraping goes out of the screen. I'm trying really hard to keep it in
Okay.
view. I think
Okay.
that what I've learned as a oboe YouTuber is the hardest thing ever is to keep your reeds on screen while you're trying to scrape them.
Yeah,
So,
I have a question about heart or spine. We take the cane from the spine or heart, we call it heart, but
yeah.
should I take from all?
Yeah, so for us in the heart, we will not have a spine. So we
Mm-hmm.
do have a spine in the lower portion of the reed, which is the back for us. So we have basically the top of the reed is going to be the tip, the middle whole section is the heart, and then this is the back. And
Okay,
we will have a spine in the back.
okay.
But
As you expect, I will say in European reads it's different. And also, this is one of the first times when I use pencil with reed making. So
yeah, I find
generally,
it so helpful. It's so helpful to keep track of exactly where you're going to. Like for me, my reed making, I want to make it all about consistency. So I'm always trying to use very similar cane, very consistent with my shaping, with my tying, with my scraping. So like to try to make each reed to be as similar as possible.
my professor always told me that reeds should be beautiful.
Yes, I like that. And why not? Why shouldn't they look beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we have beautiful variegated thread.
Yeah.
This one is from Reeds by Stephanie, but I have a lot of variegated thread from Squirrely Stash as well, as I know you do.
Yeah, I love that colorful. I think that it's making more fun with reed making. So when I see that my thread is beautiful, and for example, when I make the reeds for my students and they see that it's so beautiful and colorful, I think they have more motivation for practice. I also have more motivation when I open my reed case and they are just beautiful reeds.
We should show each other our reed cases on camera, I think.
Exactly.
Mine has two sides.
Oh wow, show me.
Okay, so on one side, bam.
Wow, nice.
And
And the
I
second
have
one?
some reeds from Oboe Duck that they gave me back in the day to try. And then the other side. Yeah.
Nice, beautiful. So
Thanks.
mine, maybe I will show you here and also
Cool.
here.
You've got some
This
English
is
horn reeds in there.
yes, I make also English horn with a beautiful beautiful
gorgeous.
thread. Yeah.
Gorgeous.
And here on my case is the number 22. This is my lucky number. And also
Okay.
I have the second one with my two favorite colors. So my second one is with not so many, but they are selected. I really love it. This is the Ridiano Polish company. I really enjoy that. Okay, Ron, I
Yes.
have a 45. I'm really speedy today.
Good. Good.
Did you finish already?
Yep. I'm already ready.
I thought I would be first, and not today.
Yeah, I mean, it depends on the cane. Sometimes it goes faster and sometimes it goes slower, but today went pretty fast.
Yeah, also in the European scraping, we have some canes which needs more scrape,
Yeah.
and they are still heavy, and yeah, but sometimes we scrape just a little, and then it's over scrape, so we have to be careful with that.
By the way,
So-
if you are watching this and you want to make a read similar to us, please do take a photo and tag us both on Instagram. We would absolutely love that, and we would love to share your photos of your North American scrape reads.
Yeah, that will be so interesting. So tag us, add the photos on your stories, and so we will see what happens. If
Yeah.
your read will be also as beautiful as Ron's reads, because Ron is making so beautiful reads. It's 45 everywhere.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. We did it. You did it. Okay. Next, let's put in a pencil mark at like around 60.5. So I don't actually have like half millimeters on my ruler, but I'm just going in between those 2 millimeters, and I'm just gonna mark where the top of the back is gonna go. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just do like 8 scrapes per quadrant. So we're going like starting here, leaving the 4 millimeters of bark and scraping up until the pencil mark.
Sorry, why is 6.5 and not
Oh god.
not 60? What is the difference? It's
You know
interesting.
what? It's like years of experimentation and trying to figure out like where is the sweet spot to do it. I think that starting it there gives me enough like heart and enough back and everything. And obviously things get adjusted along the way. But these are kind of the numbers that I've come to through trial and error. A lot of times, like I'll study my best reads, like reads that I really love and I used for auditions or performances or competitions, stuff like that, recitals, and then I'll measure them like using my micrometer. And what I've found is that like I found these measurements are pretty consistent. That are like my best reads tend to have 0.45 in the heart and tend to have the back finish at 60.5. So, you know, after seeing that as a consistent pattern through like many reads over many years, I kind of ended up on what is my style basically.
Perfect. How long do you make a reads by yourself?
Oh,
Not
I've been
machines.
making reads. I'm gonna feel old now.
Okay,
I
guess in comment how old is Ron?
Oh my god, it's easy
Sorry.
to find. I'm 29 years old, but I started making reads when I was 16. So I've been making reads for 13 years.
Early. Okay.
All right, so we put in our scrapes. So we're gonna do 8 scrapes per side. So 1, 2, 3, and you see I'm taking it 4, 5. Like, so it's this neat little quadrant. And so I'm not really scraping from the spine.
Okay. Done?
Okay, we're done? Okay, so next we're going to put in the tip. All right, so we have our last pencil mark of the day at 66. So it just looks like that.
Okay. Yeah.
So what I do is you kind of do it in like the shape of like the roof of a house. So the heart is kind of the house, right? Because this is like the bottom of the house, and then this is going to be the roof.
Like a triangle.
Yeah. So I go in here, and we just start scraping straight off. and every time returning our knife to the same place.
Mm-hmm. How much should I scrape?
So we're just gonna scrape until it makes a sound. So, um, don't worry, you probably won't take too much off. Okay, so I think my reed is gonna be pretty close to vibrating already. Yep, that's definitely pretty vibrant. So now I'm just gonna clip it. If you try it and it's pretty easy. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good. So now we're just gonna clip it until we reach a C.
I'm so happy that it works. My first American read. Okay, until the C. So play to me, C.
I'm getting close. I think I'm like a B now. But it has to be crowing a C with like minimal effort. Like no biting. You just let the embouchure be loose. Yeah.
You are more closer.
Yeah, you need a little bit more.
It's hermetic. Good. So.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my reed.
Nice. Bravo, Ron. I hope my read will be as perfect as yours. Ugh.
I'm sure it's gonna be great. How's it feel?
Okay, the pianos are quite okay. And the beginnings are okay without tongue.
Yeah.
I'm so happy with that read. Really.
Cool.
It's something different that I make. And the feeling is so different because this longer scrape, I feel on my lips that normally I have all scrape in my lips inside, and here all the scrape is outside of my lips. So that's different feeling.
This is a big learning experience for both of us. So this is like really exciting, and hopefully all of you at home are also really enjoying and like learning a lot from this. That's what we hope, right?
So thank you so much for joining us today. That was so exciting, and I hope you enjoy my first American read.
And good luck on your oboe journey, wherever it may take you. Make sure you follow us both on Instagram. I am at oboron, and Natalia is at n.mielnik. And she has a new YouTube channel, so definitely go check that out and subscribe to her.
Comment below if you want to watch how Ron is making an European scraping style.
It's going to be really interesting. Definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. Thank you so much, and have a great day. And thank you, Natalia.
Thank you.
Is that an IKEA pencil? You're like, you stole this IKEA pencil? If you know what 27 plus 45 is, put it in the comments below.
You look gorgeous, Ron.
Thank you.